In this video, I'll guide you through how to organize, edit, and delete files in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to brush up on your file management skills, this guide is here to help you streamline your workflow and keep everything in order. Let's dive right in. First, let's discuss how to organize your files. HubSpot makes it simple to manage your documents with a user-friendly drag and drop feature. If you have several files you need to sort, you can select multiple files by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each file you want to include. Once you've selected your files, you simply drag the entire group into a designated folder. This can be done from either the sidebar or the main view, whichever you find more convenient. Organizing your files into folders not only helps in keeping your workspace tidy, but also makes it significantly easier to find what you need when you need it. Next, let's talk about editing file details, specifically renaming files. To change the name of a file, start by clicking on the file name. This will open up the details panel on the side of your screen. Here, you'll find a pencil icon at this top. Clicking this icon allows you to edit the file name. This feature is particularly useful when you need to update file names to reflect new content or changes in your project. Remember, keeping your file names clear and descriptive can save you a lot of time searching for them later on. Finally, let's cover how to delete files you no longer need. This is an important step in maintaining an organized digital workspace. To delete a file, begin by selecting the file you wish to remove. Then click on the Actions button. A drop-down menu will appear from which you'll select Delete. Be sure to double-check that you're deleting the correct file, as this action is often irreversible. Removing unnecessary files not only helps declutter your space, but can also improve your system's performance by freeing up storage. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your files in HubSpot effectively, ensuring a clean and efficient workspace. Organizing, editing, and deleting files might seem like small tasks, but they play a crucial role in the overall productivity of your work environment. Keeping everything in order helps you focus on what truly matters without getting bogged down by digital clutter. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on organizing, editing, and deleting files in HubSpot. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips and guides. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.